Hello class, and Mr. Mahoney. Today we will be speaking on behalf of the big guy Steven. The topic for today is gene-modified foods.
Scientists have been and are currently introducing genetic material into organisms to alter, create and affect changes in living plants and animals.
These radical changes scientists are developing create specific, desirable traits that might never evolve naturally and in my opinion are extremely dangerous.
Collectively called recombinant DNA technology, this practice changes the core genetic makeup of organisms.
This genetic manipulation gives scientists the ability to create any trait that they wish, or suppress natural traits they don't want. There are several reasons this unnatural genetic manipulation may affect you.
It's usually not clear which consumables have been genetically manipulated. You don't know the long-term health effects of these genetically modified foods. Initial research has shown that short-term reactions can be severe. Agrochemical companies and the government are planning to charge farmers fees to grow their crops, thereby negatively affecting the economy and environment.
Cultivated genetically modified foods, from bacteria, E. coli, and fungus, fruits and vegetables to animals, genetic manipulation is becoming more and more common in our society. In the U.S. market now, 60 to 70 of the processed foods are genetically modified. In 2006, United States GMO crops reached just shy of 135 million acres, with the total global area exceeding 250 million acres.
This is a short list of the genetically modified food crops that are grown in the U.S. today: sugarcane, sweet peppers, tomatoes, bananas, strawberries, soybean, corn, potatoes, pineapples, cocoa beans, yellow squash, zucchini.
And each week more are being created at an alarming rate.
Processed consumer goods made with GMO ingredients. The biochemical industry is fiercely going after two crops, corn and soy, because of their high demand for use throughout our processed goods and biofuel industries.
For companies to increase and control the yield of these crops, it would mean controlling a large part of the processed goods and biofuels markets.
It would also mean considerable profit as they can patent these crops and technically own them.
The following is a short list of processed foods made with genetically modified organisms: popcorn, canola, cotton, seed oil, soy sauce, frozen pizza, canned soups, baby formula, dry cereal, cookies frozen, dinners.
Genetically modified foods have the potential to solve many of the world's hunger and malnutrition problems, and to help protect and preserve the environment by increasing yield and reducing reliance upon chemical pesticides and herbicides.
Yet there are many challenges ahead for governments, especially in the areas of safety testing, regulation, international policy and food labeling. Many people feel that genetic engineering is the inevitable wave of the future and that we cannot afford to ignore a technology that has such enormous potential benefits.
However, we must proceed with caution to avoid causing unintended harm to human health and the environment as a result of our enthusiasm for this powerful technology.
Well, that concludes our presentation.
Hopefully you enjoyed and learned a little something new about gene-modified foods. Peace out. Town down.